Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to do a full glam fall makeup tutorial. I used the Maybelline Soda Pop Palette today to create this look, and also the Flower Beauty Warrior Glitter Shadow in Balm. And I've really been enjoying the Soda Pop palette. I really like a lot of the colors in here for fall. Now with the shimmers, I mean, they're not like the best quality shimmers in the world, but I do really enjoy a lot of the matte shades in here. I went ahead and primed my eyelids off camera with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer, and I've just been letting that dry for a minute. And then, like I showed you guys in the intro, I'm mostly going to be using the shades out of the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. I'm going to go in with Crushing, the orange color. And I'm just going to blend that in my crease with my Sigma E40 blending brush. I'm just using little windshield wiper motions and circular motions to just blend that all into the crease really well. And I go in a couple of different times just to build the color up. And I really like this orange color for like a transition shade for fall. It's just really pretty, and it's a very buildable shade. And then I'm just gonna blend just a little bit of that here in the outer V. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade called Cherry on Top. I'm just using my Wet n Wild small concealer brush, and I'm just patting that here on the last part of the eyelid. I absolutely love this color. I kind of wish that they would have put like a color like this that was slightly deeper, almost like the color of my earrings, like a dark burgundy purple to pair with this, because I think that would have been gorgeous. But I still love this. It's like a berry, kind of a little bit of a burgundy purple. It's really pretty. Definitely the kind of purple that I think about, you know, with the fall time. I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E25 blending brush, get some more of that shade on the brush, and then I'm gonna work that here in the outer V, just using little circular motions. And I'm just taking it as far over as where I put that shade into the crease and just slowly kind of building it up. And this cherry on top, it does have fallout, so that's why I want to do my foundation afterwards today. But this color is so beautiful. And then I'm just doing the same thing over here. And then I do want to deepen this up a little bit, make it more burgundy. So I'm gonna go in with some of Root Beer on that same Sigma E25 blending brush. And also just really gonna focus this, whoops, just right out here. Because that shade does help to deepen up the cherry on top shade. Make it slightly a little bit more burgundy colored. Then I'm just going back with some of Crushing, the orange, and just kind of going over the edges, because I want to make sure that you can still see that orange, you know, peeking above that purple, the burgundy. Now for the front part of the lid, I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous, I cannot talk today. I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous glitter shadow. And this is the Warrior Glitter Shadow from Flower Beauty. And it's in the color Balm. And I do like the applicator on this. It comes to like a point. I don't know if you can see there. So it makes it really nice to just directly apply it to the eyelid. And to be like pretty precise with it. And then I'm taking it over into that purplish color. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, which yesterday I was like playing around with, you know, this look to figure out exactly what I wanted to do today. And I did kind of take a brush and sort of lightly go over the edge over there just to kind of help blend it into the other shadow. But I've been thinking about getting the pinkish colored one from these Warrior glitter shadows just because I love this gold one so much. I know they also have like a green one and a really pretty blue one, but I might use the green one, but I don't think I would ever really use that blue one too much. I don't know. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of go over the edges. I feel like I got the gold over kind of far on this side. So, try to go in with another brush to blend that. I might just have to bring the glitter over a little more on this side. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the fallout and everything, and then I'll come back and we'll do the foundation, and then we'll finish out the eyes. I'm gonna be going in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation today, and I'm gonna actually zoom out so you guys can see what I'm doing with my face. I'm just going in with my dampened Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, and I'm just gonna blend this foundation out. It had been forever since I had used my Real Techniques makeup sponge. Like, I have several of them that I bought for like my freelance makeup kit. But like the texture of the sponge is different than the Flower Beauty one or the L'Oreal Infallible makeup sponge. Like, this is a little bit more dense, and I usually like makeup sponges now that are a little bit more soft, but I feel like the more I use this Real Technique sponge, like the softer it gets. But I mean, I still love the Real Technique sponge, even though it is more dense than like those other ones. I like how it has this flat, the flat side. First Day Beauty Eye Duty Triple Remedy. And this is like a salmon tone concealer. This is for fair to medium skin. I did get this sent to me for free through Octoly, but I have been enjoying this so much. So what I do is I just dot just a little bit on each eye. You can use the little metal thing on the back to kind of blend it out. And it's really cooling and feels really nice on the under eye area, especially in the mornings if your eyes are a little puffy or whatever. It just feels really nice and cooling. And then I'm gonna put just a little bit more. And then after I get that like blended out, then I like to go in with my makeup sponge, and which sometimes too I'll even put a little bit on that. And then I'll just blend that into the skin. And I mainly try to focus it like in the areas of my under eye where it's dark, you know, or shadowy. It helps to like brighten because of that salmon tone in the concealer. And then after I go in with this concealer, I usually use just whatever concealer I would normally use. I just kind of use this First Day Beauty as a like color correcting to help you know, brighten up the dark under eye circles to help counteract them. You guys know how much I love First Aid Beauty, so I've really been enjoying this so much. So I think if you're looking for a product that has that salmon tone color to help counteract dark under eye circles, like for color correcting, this would be a great product. Plus, like I said, it has nice ingredients too for, you know, your under eye area. And then for my under eye concealer, I'm just going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy. And I'm mainly just gonna put this right here and then blend it out. And I am gonna put just a little bit over here. And I just like to use this on top just to, you know, add a little bit more coverage. And also sometimes that pink tone can be a little too pink on its own, you know? So. To set my foundation, I'm just going in with my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder and my e.l.f. powder brush. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. HD Under Eye Setting Powder. For my eyeliner, I'm using my Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black. Then for my mascara, I'm just going in with my CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast. And it is so funny because I told you guys like a while back that I hated this mascara. But now that my lashes are longer from using the Grande Lash, I actually really like this mascara. So I'm just gonna do just one light coat of that. So for my false lashes today, I'm just gonna go in with these red cherry lashes, and these are in the style Stevie. So I'll link those down below for you all. I got these off of Amazon. And for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with some more of Cherry on Top and my Sigma Pencil E30 brush. And I'm just gonna brush some of that shade here on the lower lash line. On the waterline, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Highlighter, and I'm just going to put this in my waterline just to brighten my eyes up, just make them look wide and bright-eyed. For my inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to go in with my Milani Brow Fix Brow Kit and this highlight shade. And I'm just going to pop some of that here in the inner corner. Because in that Soda Pop palette, there's not, I mean, Tonic is like the lightest shade in here, but it's not as white as I wanted that shade to be, so that's why I'm going in with this. I mean, if you have a darker skin tone than me, Tonic would probably be light enough, but on my skin tone, it's not really as light as I need for it to be. And then I'm gonna take just a little bit of this brow highlight and put it up here. Okay, now I'm feeling like pretty ghostly because I don't have anything else on my face, but foundation I feel like will look kind of flat. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze, and I'm gonna use my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It and my Morphe R2 brush. Every time I say R2, I think of Star Wars and R2-D2. But yeah, I feel like a nerd. But yeah, I think of that every time I say R2. I love this eye look for fall. I just think it is so beautiful. And if you're wondering where I got these earrings, I got them at Target. They're that Bauble Bar for Target brand. And it's so funny because I used to say I would never wear these tassel earrings. I thought they looked stupid. But these actually don't look dumb. I actually like these, the way that they're shaped. So, and I don't feel like they look out of place. Like, I don't know, I just feel like they blend, you know, nice with your hair and everything. I think it's just like the way that the tassels are. It's not just like one thing with just like some strings hanging. But I love that color, that burgundy color. And then I'm just gonna bronze up a little bit right here. I just feel like that made my face look so much better once I got my bronzer on. I was just looking so flat with just the foundation. Okay, and then for my blush, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Mellow Wine. And this Mellow Wine color kind of helps to bring out that orange in the crease. For my highlights, I'm gonna go in with this Pixie by Petra, and this is in Subtle Sunrise. And I just love this gold shade in here. That's what I'm gonna use. And I'm just gonna use my Morphe M438 brush. I forgot that I had this brush. I had it kind of packed away with some of my other brushes in my freelance makeup kit. And this brush is an exact dupe to the new Sigma one that I picked up, the tapered highlighter F35. Like this Morphe M438 is a dupe to that brush. So if you've been looking for a brush that's an affordable option to the Sigma one, which I don't know exactly what the price difference on these two are. I'll have to look it up and put it in the video. But yeah, they are practically the same brush. Though, I mean, I'm not upset that I bought that new Sigma one. I mean, I do like it, and it's always good to have, you know, more than one of the same brush. So you can use different highlights without washing your brushes all the time. And then I'm just gonna put some of that highlight here on my nose and on my Cupid's bow. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and mist my face with my makeup setting spray, and then I'll do my lipstick. So this is like a mix of like different makeup setting sprays. Like I had some that were about to run out, and so I just put them all into this Ode Urban Decay setting spray. And sometimes after I use my makeup setting spray, I'll just take my sponge and just kind of dab over. So if I have like any little like hairs that are sticking up, it lays them down like little peach fuzz. Which I do normally get rid of that peach fuzz, but sometimes, you know, it's there. I probably should have been moisturizing my lips this whole time, but I didn't think about that. For my lipstick, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick. This is one of their bold mattes, and this is in Gone Greige. And I know that this lipstick color is darker. In this eye look, you know, there's a lot going on with it. So if you wanted to wear a lipstick that was more, you know, nude than this, you totally could. But I thought that this color paired really nice with this eye look because of that purple. I don't know, it just kind of brought the purple out, and I think it's still wearable. I hope that you guys did enjoy this makeup tutorial on this full fall glam makeup look. I really liked the way that this turned out. I post new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one, and I hope that you all have an awesome day. Bye-bye.